Goofy, you going? Go, do it, do it, do it, do it. Woo! Hey, is it cold? Wow. Guys, this is incredible. So beautiful. Look at them way up there. Look at them, look, 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 look. Jason, you going?
I'm going in.
Go. Crazy. Guys, this is incredible, so beautiful, and you get to join us through this lens right here. Let's go. Waterfall ride. Don't miss it next year. Let's go. Incredible. Don't miss it next year. Put it on your list. Tennessee Waterfall ride next year. Let's go. Trash on the river.
Trash.
Can you get it?
Yeah.
Let's clean up the river, baby.
Go up.
You ready? Get the trash, get the trash, get the trash. You got it? Okay, guys. Trash on the river, clean it up. I don't know why there would be Febreze on the river, but we are gonna clean up Tennessee, even though we're from Florida. We're gonna throw it in here. Guys, clean up your areas, man. These are your waterways. Don't pollute them. Why would there be Febreze on a river?
I don't know.
You know what? It probably fell off a houseboat.
Yeah,
one of those big houseboats.
smart.
If I had to guess, that's probably what happened.
And no, maybe not.
Uh-oh. Ahí estando. Jason says it's time to go. It's time to go. Let's go. Woo-hoo! All right, this is pretty cool. No lifeguard on duty. Swim at your own risk. Danger. Uneven. Bottom alcohol. Woo! The elevation. Catch your breath. No jumping or diving from bridge, Donovan. Okay. Okay. Guys, check this out. All right. Hey. This is cool. Welcome to Tennessee. Look at this.
Up on here.
Hey.
Hey. What's up?
Tennessee Waterfall ride. Caleb, you gonna swim across? Stay in between the orange. This is pretty cool. You going in?
Yeah.
Go for it. You? And then Callie. Oh! Guys, Tennessee waterfall ride. Look at this. They're all up there on the bridge still, the rope bridge or the hanging bridge. Everybody's relaxing. The kids are swimming. The water is an amazing, probably, let me see.
Jason! Jason!
It's about 80, 75, 77, 80. It's definitely not cold. It's very refreshing. And
Jason!
how's the water feel?
It's amazing.
Jason!
You gotta say agitando.
Agitando!
Nope, he heard you there. Look at Araya over here. Are you giving him a hard time?
We're talking about pets. Okay,
Oh, we got way too many pets.
When I saw both hands, I said that's too many.
3 ferrets.
How many?
3 ferrets, 3 cats, 2 dogs, my brother's 2 dogs,
I thought you said your brothers were pets.
And the lizard.
and my brother's lizard that I'm watching. Those are the animals
What
that
kind of
are
lizard is it?
literally snakes.